Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Smart Financial Credit Union online banking account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in smartcu.org. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Smart Financial Credit Union. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to log into your account, all you have to do is click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on this option register here and register for your account. Otherwise, simply enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forgot your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password. Now, after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. If you have enabled the two-factor authentication, you'll also have to go through the authentication process. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Smart Financial Credit Union online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.